Chochoyotes are little masa dumplings, chiefly from Oaxaca, but found all over Mexico. I like to think of them as little balls of tamales floating in broth. They're shaped like little bowls or cazuelas, which help scoop up any goodies floating around with them in the broth. Today's chochoyotes are flecked with herbs, are simmered in chicken broth along with some garlicky ramps, fresh asparagus, and some shredded chicken. Let's get cooking. Sorry to interrupt, but if you are enjoying the video, think about clicking that like button down below. And if you want to see more videos like this, maybe click the subscribe button. I make videos every single week. Enough of the shameless plug, let's get back to the recipe. So it took me a little while to kind of figure out chochoyotes. I'm not sure I exactly nailed them in the traditional sense of this recipe, but once I started thinking about them kind of like pasta, that's when it clicked for me. Basically, you're cooking these dumplings in water or broth before transferring them into a saute pan, along with some more of their cooking liquid to finish them. That's going to create a kind of modified pan sauce to serve them with. These guys are really adaptable whether you want to pair them with soup or a sauce. If you have a hankering for tamales but don't want all the work, chochoyotes might be the right move. That's it for me today. Thank you for coming. I'll see you next time. Bye now.